Good morning, fellow traders. Bob here. It's time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Thursday, February the 4th, 2021. I hope everybody had a great night last night. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see where we left off the market yesterday. So SPX ended up finishing up a little bit green yesterday. Green here on the monthly chart as we approach the upper Bollinger Band. Weekly chart, inside week still far with 2 full trading days left in the week to see if we can invalidate this bearish engulfing candle. Otherwise, a little bit caution, right? Because if we end up finishing with an inside week and we take that down, that just kind of projects the down move here from that bearish engulfing, which is pretty nasty, right? So we'll see where we go from there. But so far, so good. The good news is that this wave 4 may be in. We did get an impulsive move up right here. We had a pause day yesterday, so don't be surprised, right, if the bears think they're back in control again for a wave 2 down, right, as we potentially fill this gap and potentially bounce back off the geometric level, 50-day moving average, and the 618 for a larger wave 3 up. So we just had to be cautious with that, right? So if we start to see some down moves, don't be surprised if that happens, right? If this is just a subwave 1 right here, and then we see a subwave 2 pullback. So let's keep an eye on that going forward. Let's take a look at the SPY here this morning. Again, we've been triangulating here going into the day. So really, we're just going to be focused on this. We have job numbers this morning, so we're going to see how they look going into the morning. For the S&P futures, again, just chopping around within the triangle, right? So we've got some big signal zones here and here. So, even if we get out of the triangle, right, we have a lot of work to do to get out of here. If we can get above this 38.45 level, it could be some nice clear air above. Otherwise, below yesterday's lows, watch out, and we might be working on that subwave 2 that we were just talking about. So again, MES, same thing. It's all about the triangle here this morning. So let's just tidy this up a little bit here. It's the same stuff, okay? So good stuff there. Let's see the Qs and see how they're behaving here this morning. So Qs, again, yesterday we put this real nice channel up here, and we got that downside action once we broke down here at the end of the day. Now we're kind of chopping here. Yesterday it looked like some rotation out of tech. And so that's basically what we're looking at right now to see if they put the rotation back into it today or if we still continue to see some relative negatives. So we'll keep an eye on this one. We'll keep an eye on the IWM to see if the small caps want to break out of this potential bull flag going into today. We'll keep an eye on the XLF, which had some general strength yesterday. I mean, not amazing, not 2 days ago where that was super strength. But it held up really nicely, so we're going to see if we can hold up here today. Again, it looked like it tried to break down to that little channel here this morning, possible little bull flag. So let's see how that goes going in today. It could be interesting as well. Again, job numbers could be interesting this morning to see how it affects things. So let's take a look at Apple here this morning. So Apple is up pre-market and after hours yesterday after the Hyundai Kia announcement. Sorry, I just can't get over it. It's like, of all the car companies you could choose. Anyway, so we'll see how it goes right here. Going into today, see if we can break out of this morning, and if Apple wants to make another push here. But it was a little bit bullish off of that. Could help some LUDAR, names, things like that going into today. So for the autonomous vehicle type stuff. All right. So that being said, let's take a look at Tesla. So Tesla's kind of hanging in here today. It's got some pretty positive China news. Musk did come out and say, like, oh, don't buy a Tesla when we're ramping up. It's like, aren't you guys always ramping up? Anyway, so he did that in a recent interview. But anyway, just funny stuff. So anyway, keep an eye on Tesla today. See how it goes. We had an inside day yesterday, I believe. Let's just double check that. Yep, inside day yesterday. So see how those levels hold. The inside day tactics will apply today. So good stuff, guys. I appreciate everybody for tuning in for the free video. The rest of it, we're going to go over some stocks that are setting up that we've talked about in the bubble report, and that we'll be looking at intraday in the Elite Access group. So thanks, guys, for tuning in for the free version. Stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe. See you in the game, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to get more in-depth video coverage on the stocks or setups that are on our radar, be sure to join our group or subscribe to the bubble report for more morning analysis. The bubble report includes S&P 500 review, also a market profile game plan on the S&P futures, sector updates, gappers, orbs, unusual option activity, economic calendar, and we also have Elliott wave counts that are on our radar made by Algo 382. Be sure to click the link at the end of this video to subscribe today.